Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cook with Me. So today I will be sharing the recipe of fish curry and steamed rice. Hope you guys like it, and if you like it, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. So let's watch. So to make fish curry, I am using half kg of singhara fish, 3 chopped onions, 4 chopped tomatoes, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of chopped ginger. So let's start. This is the easiest recipe of fish curry and I will be serving this fish curry with some steamed rice. So what's the next step is we have to grind all of them into a fine paste, which is onion, tomato, ginger and garlic. So let's watch. So I have made a puree of tomato, ginger, garlic and onion. So now we'll start making the gravy for the fish. I have added 2 tablespoons of oil in a karai. Let it heat. I have added half teaspoon of ajwain seeds. This will give a very nice taste to this dish and also make it easy to digest. So do not forget this step. And now I am adding this puree to oil. Now I am adding all the spices to this puree. 1 teaspoon salt, some black pepper, good amount of red chili powder. I am using 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon sukha dhania, a pinch of turmeric powder, Kashmiri lal mirch for the color and taste. Please don't skip this step. It will give a nice reddish color to this fish curry. As you can already see that the gravy's color has changed. Now I will let this puree to cook on high flame for 5 minutes till the oil separates. Now I am going to add some kasuri methi, mix it nicely with the gravy. At this stage, as you can see that the oil has separated, I am going to add pieces of fish. I have washed the fish very nicely. Now I will mix the gravy with the fish. Do it very gently so that the fish doesn't break. Now I will cover this with a lid and let it cook on low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I have removed the lid after 10 minutes and as you can see that the fish curry has made. Fish usually takes very less time. See. So now I'll serve it with some steamed rice. So let's watch. In the last, I am going to sprinkle some garam masala on top of it. And it's ready to serve. So now I'll start making some steamed rice, and for that I have soaked basmati rice for about half an hour. So for that I'll be needing a pan and I'll boil some water. I have used 1 liter of water and now I'll boil it. I will add half teaspoon of salt in the water. Now I will add the soaked rice to this water. I will cook this on high flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. Till that the water will absorb. The rice are half done now. So at this stage I am going to cover it with a lid so that it gets cooked by the steam. The rice are almost cooked, so I will strain the excess water and serve it on a serving plate. Fish curry with steamed rice are ready to serve. Enjoy!